my wife came up to me one day and she's like, we've got to start a plant shop. And I was like, what? We started real small. We started at the farmer's market, very low overhead right here in Main Street, Broken Arrow. And at the farmer's market, we had a line of people waiting to come plant our plants. So we looked at each other and we said, you know, we might be onto something. We just wanted to have a little business that had plants. We sold plants in pots and it just started exploding.
We are a DIY plant bar. So we are a sip and shop plant boutique where you can come in, grab a glass of wine, bring your friends, bring your kids, bring your girls, date night, and you can grab a drink, pick a plant, pick a pot, and create a plant arrangement while you're here.
There you are.
For your succulents, you can do this perlite, and then for the houseplants, you can do vermiculite.
We have a little bit of everything. So it started with succulents, and then it started growing into houseplants. So we've got snake plants, we have cactus, we have all houseplants, easy houseplants, difficult houseplants, houseplants for beginners, for the experts. Everything that we have in here that is not a plant is all a small business. So we are really big on supporting local and small businesses. We have jewelry, we have candles, we try to focus everything around plants. So we have plant hangers and plant books and plant greeting cards and jewelry, and everything kind of has a little plant twist to it.
And you can just mix it together as you go.
As soon as you walk in, we have our plant coaches that greet you at the door. We want to be the Chick-fil-A of plants. So we want my pleasure. We want everybody just to feel welcome and feel like a family while they're here. You pick a plant, you pick a pot, any kind that you want, as many as you want, and then you head upstairs to our plant loft. And our plant loft we have 5 tables upstairs, and we have our plant coaches up there, and they will walk you through the whole process.
And we're just gonna gently break off the dirt.
It's a blast seeing kids come in here and just kind of create something fun with the sand colors. We've had people come in on their first date nights. We've had a lot of people come in. One lady came in on their 10-year wedding anniversary, and people are just looking for an experience and something different to do. And here at the Succulent Shop, we really try to focus in on that.
We're here planting plants with our aunt. It's really fun. I like getting my hands dirty and looking at all the different types of plants. I like the texture of the dirt and all the different things about it.
I like to see the end of what they look like.
And make the hole a little bit deeper.
Our plant coaches are all very well educated on how to do that process, and we walk you through it. And it is a workshop-like experience, and it's an average of 15 minutes to an hour, depending on what you want to make. And we want you to be a plant mom or a plant dad when you walk out the door.
We are celebrating my sister's birthday today. This is our first time to be together as mom and sisters and family together in several months. We love plants. And it's just a good, fun thing to do. It's a beautiful day.
That's our main goal. What it comes down to is we just want to make someone's day with a plant.